everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Ruth TV. This channel is about boosting our immune system. It's about we being the boss of our health and taking conscious effort to live healthily every day of our lives. This channel also is about we family coming together. As I always say, join us, let's grow old together, taking a natural recipe, a natural remedy, which can be herbs, leaf, vegetables, fruit, even food that we eat, and even spices all over the world, in any part of the world, our tubers, our roots, taking it first thing in the morning, fasting. First thing in the morning as we wake up, even before we brush our teeth, just for us to live a healthy lifestyle to boost our immune system. As we all know, boosting our immune system is the key to being healthy. It's a key to preventing sicknesses and diseases. Even if you are on drugs, if you boost your immune system, your drug will be able to work effectively. Even if you are the type that take your multivitamins, you boosting your immune system will enable them to work effectively. In this channel, we take our remedy every Sunday. I upload new video every Sunday, and I will be taking for the week. Like I always do it, I prepare mine, I just put in the fridge and take it first thing as I wake up, before I brush my teeth, before I take my bath and all that, and before I go for my school run. It's already 30 minutes before I take my breakfast, or sometimes it's already two hours. It's already, or sometimes in the morning I don't even take my breakfast, fasting, so that all these natural remedies can work effectively. So it's good to take them on an empty stomach first thing in the morning, and even the last thing you do before you sleep. And if you're the type that normally take your coffee, your cafe, waking up, taking your tea bags, instead of taking all these tea bags, it's high time we switch to taking this natural remedy. You just prepare it and put in the fridge, and you put it in the cup, add warm water to it, add your lemon, your honey to it. Your lemon, if you want the lemonish taste like I always do, or you want the honey taste, just add it, sit down sipping it and watch it, relaxing, instead of your normal tea or coffee break. So this is very good, it's very healthy. So it's good for us to take care of ourselves, take care of our family, as we take conscious effort of ourselves, our finance, our daily life, the food that we eat, the clothes we wear, the skin. Is also good to take care of our inner system, your innermost, your inner organs. Good to take care of them. So last week, last 2 weeks, thereabout, we'll be taking celery. Last week we took celery, ginger. Last week, and it was very good. It's good. It's very good. It's very good. It was perfect. It was nice, and everything worked out well. I always prepare mine in the evening to take in the morning, so in the morning I don't have to stress myself blending, or I prepare it down and just keep in the fridge 3 days, 2 days, and I refresh, make another one. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe. What are you waiting for? Subscribe and join us. This is a family of immune system and living a healthy lifestyle. So join us this week. This week our recipe will be celery again. Celery, because celery is very good, and our cucumber. That's what we're going to be taking this week. If you want to add your ginger to it for it to have the hot taste, the spicy taste, you can add it. You can also add your black pepper and all that. Yeah, this is what I'll be taking this week, because these are very good. The cucumber is very refreshing. It's very refreshing. It's hydrating. When you take it first thing in the morning, it hydrates your body. Imagine you sleeping throughout the night. The first thing you're going to take in the morning is to hydrate your body. Your cells are happy, so it's good to take cucumber. It's very good. It has both of them and celery. They have antioxidants that will protect our cells this week, protect our blood vessels, protect our organs from oxidative damage. So this week we're going to be protecting our body from oxidative damage, and most especially celery is very good for that. Both of them have antioxidant properties. They both have vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium. They have folate, so it's very good. And we all know that even celery is very good for constipation. So if you are the type that have problem with bowel movement, take your celery. Join us this week. As I was saying, join us this week to take a drink, and you will not lose anything. You will not. It doesn't cost a fortune. So it's just something that you can easily get from the supermarket. Is readily available. So always available in and out of season. So if you want to add your lemon to it, you can add it for common cold, especially now that we are in winter. So it's very good. So I'm going to be preparing it now. Join us in the kitchen. Join me as I prepare the drink for the week. See you later. So welcome back. So make sure you always wash your celery properly. Yeah, this I have washed almost through, just to save us time. Wash in between and all that. So it's good to be the boss of our head. It's good to take care of our body, our family. As you take care of your job, of your clothes, of your home. Make sure you take care of your health too. Make sure you take care of your health. So to live, to be healthy, to limit your visit to the doctor, to the hospital. So it's very good. It's very good to take care of yourself. And that's our celery and cucumber I am going to be using this week. So just going to be needing just a few. I'm going to chop them now and blend to prepare for my week. Today is Sunday. The first 2 or 3 days I already have my juice prepared. So that is it. And another thing that I like about this week's recipe is that both has potassium too. Both have potassium, so it's very good for our health, our heart health. You can take care of our heart. If you are suffering from high blood pressure, stroke, other heart-related diseases like heart attack. So nobody knows all these things. Nobody knows. You don't know about especially if you are the type that don't go for your health checkup. You don't know anything that is cooking up in your body. So it's always good to be on the safer side by preventing these things. As you know, prevention is better than cure. It does not have to be in your DNA or your gene before you take care of yourself. So you just do all these little things. These are little things you can do. The doctor cannot do you this. Doctors will not even tell you this. I'm a nurse by profession. So your doctors will not even tell you all these things. So it's good to just be careful of what you do concerning your health. These little things matter. Maybe when you wake up in the morning, your cells they are starved over the night. Imagine you waking up with something healthy, feeding your cells, your organs with something healthy. Like this celery now, it's good to protect our cells, our blood vessels, and our organs from oxidative stress. So I've chopped them now, slice them just to add the water that I normally drink. You add your water and just blend. That's all. And this thing, they don't cost fortune. They are not stressful. So I see no reason why you will not do it, my love. So stay tuned with me and let me go blend. See you later. So I'm also going to be adding meat from my kitchen garden. Just a little bit of meat. So because these are very healthy too. I just add just my meat to it. So welcome back. Here we are. This is my drink for the week. So from our celery and cucumber, we're able to obtain this. I just took about 3 celery, as you can see, 3 celeries and half a cucumber. So I might even use full, but I just want to use half. So it depends on you. Half liter of water. So it depends on you. As far as you are taking these natural remedies, and also my meat, I added meat to it from my kitchen garden. So that is my drink for the week. When I wake up in the morning, I don't have to come blend it. As you can see, I just cover it with my thin paper and I just put, or anything I just put in the fridge. So when I wake up in the morning, I run downstairs, I take my drink. Either I fill the cup and put it in the microwave, or I fill it this way and add my warm water to it. Yes, I add my warm water to that, and I just take it first thing in the morning before I go brush my teeth and before I take my bath and do my school run. So it's already 2 hours, so it's good to take them fasting. That's just the bottom line, on an empty stomach. So this week we're going to be taking care of our cells, protecting our cells, our blood vessels, our body, our organs of the body from oxidative damage. As we all know, oxidative stress is not very good, and this drink also have alkalizing effect. So you can alkaline your body. Your acidic body is a breeding ground for sicknesses, diseases, and infection. So it's good to always keep your body, your body in check. Eating food that can align your body, and vegetables, green veggies are good for that. So thank you for being here. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Join this family. Join us. Let's grow together and taking care of our body and living a healthy lifestyle. So next week Sunday, I'll be coming out again with another recipe. So join us, subscribe if you haven't, and share to your friends, family, especially those that you love. See you at the top. Bye.